so hot, guys. Oh. Hi guys! Happy 9th of December, guys! Hello, good morning! Good morning, guys. I just get out from the shower and I put a little makeup on. I'm sorry about my eyebrow, guys. They're not really the same. They're different and I'm not expert to do the eyebrows. I went to shower very early and I started putting makeup on because I'm going to try to film. I'm going to try to film this gingerbread. It's kind of heavy, guys. This one here. Guys, I'm just watching Kiabad and Poljake's Castello's wedding. Oh my god, I was teary-eyed. Oh my lordy. I don't know why I kind of teary-eyed of their wedding. Control. Mababa lang talaga ang luha ko, guys, as in sobrang baba. Ayaw kong umiyak. But I'm so happy for them. I'm a big fan of Kiabad. I'm really a big fan since you know, Tabing Ilog. Oh my lordy. Oh my god. The dog is watching me. Oh my god. Oh, enough. Somebody posted on YouTube about the whole thing, the video when Kiabad cried. Oh my god, it's just I'm a big fan of Kiabad, the whole Tabing Ilog group. Kiabad is my number one. Oh my god, she's so freaking baby face. Oh my god, she's so freaking cute. So whatever. So that I can share, guys. I'm gonna go back upstairs before I ruin my makeup. Tan tananan. Tan tananan, tan tananan. Oh my god, the song of Poljik Soriano's, the video that somebody posted on YouTube. The song is so kind of funny. Tan tananan, tan tananan, tan tananan. It's so freaking weird. That's the song that somebody like singing that. Ikaw na ang babae na aking papakasalan. Tan tananan. Oh my god, I kinda so happy for her. I don't know why, it's so freaking weird.
When I close my eyes, I can almost see it. When I take a breath, you fill up my lungs. And if my mind worked backwards just for a minute, I'd follow you before the memory's gone. I remember you. You lift my spirit. With you high is all I'm feeling. Remember how we felt alive. I remember you. I remember you.
Let's get down. Where is your sister? Where is Roxy? Come here down. Come down. Oh, Roxy bro. Come here. I'm done, guys. My hair is still wet. I'm going to wait until it get dry. And then after that, I'm going to curl it or iron it. It depends what I feel like doing. And yeah, while doing that, I'm watching Say's vlog, and also I'm going to edit the video also. So these two dogs, for sure, they want some treaties. This dog wants some treaties. I bring a lot of treats or extra treats. Hi guys, it is already 11:20 in the morning, and my hair is kinda still wet. Yeah guys, I'm gonna make this gingerbread house kit, and let's try for the first time. and I'll do it. But yeah, this is my first time. This video it is making this gingerbread house kit, and I got this from Stop and Shop, guys. And it's, you know, everything, I think everything is here. And guys, this is my first time. Let's open this. This is 10 bucks, 9 something, and there is an instruction in the back. Pre-made white icing with tip icing. It's low bat, guys, so that means I'm gonna change the battery. I'm just even reading the instruction, but it doesn't, that battery is already dead, so I'm gonna use the second battery and charge the battery. Be right back.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah. Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were soaring. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah. Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into life. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah. Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, no. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home.
Hi guys, I am done. I am finally done with my gingerbread house kit. Yay! Look, it really just looks like my gingerbread. It is done finally. Yay! It's done. Yeah. And this one, guys, is really good. Oh my goodness, this gummies, this thing here. Oh geez, so good. I don't even finish it. The orange, I don't know what it looks like. The purple one. I don't eat lunch yet, and it's already 1:10. 1 o'clock and 10 minutes. But I'm so happy the result of my gingerbread. What is it, guys? Huh? Hi guys! Insert shout out na naman, guys! I love doing insert shout out. Even though this vlog is from the other day and this insert shout out is yesterday, because you will see this vlog today. So shout out to Manilyn. Is that your family name, Manilyn? Hi Manilyn, thank you for watching. And also shout out to Searching Beyond Aina. Sis, please leave me a comment below if I pronounce it wrong. Okay, I'm gonna say it again. searching beyond Aina Lurican. Hi sis, thank you for subscribing. If you don't unsubscribe me, I got Siri, why you talking to me? Goodness. Thank you guys so much for watching. Searching beyond Ayana Lurican. Hi, Ayana Lurican and Manilyn. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Keep going to the vlog. Bye. Knock knock. You can pick this, pick, start eating this. I'll wait. I wait until Christmas. It is cold in here now, guys. I changed the temperature. I changed the temperature to 65. It was 70, and I changed it to a little lower because I don't want my gingerbread melt. Because if this gingerbread melt, that means I have a melty house and it's gonna go down. Those gummies are very good. They're very good. Look at my smiley. It's a mess. There's another smiley in the back, in the tree. Yes, it's very cute actually though. I really like it. Let me take this away because it seems like they've been eating this. Take this away from you guys. This is what you've been eating. What is this? Get out! I know. You can't just keep eating. This is what they've been eating, guys. Oh, plastic.
And I say that having married a mother that never raised her voice to me in my entire life. When she died, I was 50-something years old. She never raised her voice to me in her entire life. I could go set the school on fire, and she would say, "Well, for the rest of your life." Does that mean that her behavior is acceptable or was acceptable? Absolutely, unequivocally not. What I see, then that doesn't mean what she did is okay. It just means that you are unwilling.
Transfer ko lang yung ano guys dito. It's late already. It is 5:02 already. I vlog again late. Transfer ko lang tong ano dito. Yung gingerbread house thing. And I like this, it's like the house of entrance lampshade. Look at that. This is a candle. Kinda doesn't feel like eating anything, but I'm going to have that too. I'm gonna have this turon. Yeah, I'm not gonna eat rice. I'm just gonna have turon to eat for yung itim dito oh, ano to sa ano to, sa mascara to ba? Sa mascara ito guys. Kailangan ko nang bumili ng bagong mascara kasi yung Maybelline na mascara na pump up, ano na, sobrang ano na, dry na guys. You ready to get in? It's freezing outside. It's freezing. And the wind is crazy, like the wind is kicking guys. Okay, I'm gonna just close this and I will turn off the light there. I'm hitting the Toblerone. Toblerone. No, I'm toasting the, how do you call this? Turon, guys. It's turon. It's only two Toronto. To Toronto. So the dog right there is lying down. They're behaving themselves. And I am watching The Real Housewife of Beverly Hills. I love those things. It's so much people that wealthy. Like, it's Coco Kaloka. Hold on, guys. I'll show you the outside, guys. This one, there's light in this one, but we don't turn it on yet. Let me see. Let me see if the light here is on. It's freezing cold though. This one time we have to fix this over here. And there's right there. And there's right there. Yo, goodness. It's freezing. Oh my god. It's cold. Oi, it's not, it doesn't turn crunchy though. And I burned my hands, the left and the right. Hold them up high. Come here. Okay, I'm gonna take my makeup off. It's time to take it off. I'm gonna take this off, guys. Oh, I'm gonna get naked. Missy girls, where are you? I'm using this pad that improves aha. It's really good for taking off makeup. I don't have my, how do you call it, guys? I don't have it here, the cone air, the pen air roller, the one that does up my eyes here. Oh, it's so hurt, guys. Oh. Oh my god, guys, did you see that? Oh, I'm not gonna do that again. Oof, I'm not gonna do that again. This is gonna go ruin my eye. Why you have to wait until Misty eat it, huh? Why? I know you hide it right here. Look, I see it. Misty know you hide it right